Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get into today's video, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. I'm currently creating a lot of succulent content that you won't want to miss. As you all know, 2020 did not turn out the way that we expected it to. There were a lot of things that I wanted to do this year that just didn't happen. Because of that, I chose to support small businesses that I found on Instagram that sell succulents, especially rare powdery succulents. My garden has never looked better. Some succulents that I found are reasonably priced and some are sold at a premium. I've always known that I've had expensive taste, but why did I have to fall in love with the most expensive succulents? For today's video, I am going to do an unboxing from two accounts that I found earlier this year. These two accounts are @nature.pocket and @sucsash. I highly suggest you follow both of these accounts. They both have Etsy shops and they also both sell succulents on Instagram. If you happen to be looking for a certain succulent and you don't see it on their Instagram or Etsy page, feel free to DM either seller because they're both super sweet and I'm sure they will work their hardest to try to get that succulent for you. Alright, if you want to see the cute succulents that I got from both of these sellers, keep on watching. So here are the two boxes that I received on my front doorstep. I assume that these succulents are going to be wrapped up, so let me open up these boxes off camera and I will be right back. As soon as I opened the box from Nature Pocket, I noticed she included some ID stakes for the 3 succulents that I purchased. Look how adorable these are! If you haven't already heard, I am obsessed with powdery succulents. The first succulent that I'm going to unbox is a Sang A. Look how gorgeous the succulent is. It is so powdery. I'm gonna add a little photo right here just in case the camera doesn't pick it up. It is the most powdery succulent I have in my collection as of now. And this red color is just absolutely gorgeous. One thing to note that I confirmed with the seller, these succulents were dehydrated before they were sent to me, so that is why their rosette is so closed up. If you allow your succulent to get a little bit of water once you get it home, this rosette will open back up. I think I'm going to only water these succulents very minimally because I want those rosettes to stay very tight and closed. I think that's really pretty. The next super powdery succulent that I'm going to unbox is an icy purple. Look how gorgeous this succulent is. So when I saw this succulent before I bought it, I noticed it had a lot of leaves at the bottom that didn't quite fit in with the rosette in the middle. I wanted to get it home, get it in some soil, water it a ton, let those leaves plump up a little bit, pick them off, and then set them in my propagation station to propagate. Alright, the last succulent that I was able to snag from Nature Pocket is an Echeveria Trumpso. Look at that rosette. Gorgeous plant. So powdery, the Farina looks untouched. It looks beautiful. For the succulent that I was able to purchase from @sucsash, I was able to snag this one in an auction. She holds these quite often, and each succulent just goes to the highest bidder. Her auctions are really fun. So before I bought the succulent, she actually warned me that it's huge. And I knew it was big, but I didn't know it was this big. I am obsessed with Echeveria Lowies, and whenever I saw this one, I knew I wanted to rip it apart and propagate 3/4 of it. And whenever you see it, you'll know why. Look at this guy. He doesn't have many roots, it's just a little nub at the bottom, but 3/4 of this plant is going to be taken off and added to my propagation station. I kind of feel bad ripping it up and propagating almost all of it, but a garden full of little Lowies is kind of like a dream come true. Alright everyone, if you've stuck around this long, thank you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram @GayOnABudget. There I hold a lot of giveaways and post a ton of content that you won't want to miss. If you have any succulent sellers that you would like to tell me about, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. I would love to support more small businesses that sell really pretty powdery succulents. See you on the next video.